Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Yassal's Concept. In this video we will discuss some biosafety rule which will help you in your laboratory. So basically this rule are implemented on all type of laboratory, but some of these rules are belongs to microbiological lab. Okay, now keep in mind. Now the first rule is do not eat or drink in laboratory or place any object on or near your mouth. All books, backpack, coats, purses, etc. should be cleared from your table before beginning any procedure. While actively working with microbial culture, keep your laboratory manual or instruction at a reasonable distance from your work area. Do not wear loose article of clothing such as scarves or bulky jackets. Rule number 2. Practice good aseptic technique by performing the following at the beginning each class. Tie back long hair. Wear closed footwear to protect the feet. Wear lab coat or apron to protect clothes. Clean lab table with an antiseptic wash. Wash hand thoroughly before starting any lab exercise. Wear disposable glove when handling pathogenic organism. Wear safety goggles when conducting procedures that pose a splash or aerosol risk, and when dealing with certain chemicals such as staining reagent. All culture, whether test tubes or petri plates, should be labeled with your name or initials, the date and the name of organism. Petri plates can be written on directly. Tape labels should be used for test tube. Permanent marker designated only for laboratory use must be used to label cultures. Rule number 4. Most microbial culture will be inoculated using the sterile loop or needle. Once the transfer is complete, the loop or needle should be sterilized again. Liquid culture should be transferred using the sterile pipette and mechanical pipetting apparatus. No mouth pipetting is allowed in laboratory or especially in microbiological laboratory. Now, the rule number 5. All test tubes should be placed in a rack before transporting them from one area of the lab to another. All lid on all test tubes must be secure. Rule number 6. All petri plates should be taped on both sides before carrying to the incubators. Rule number 7. All disposable microbiological waste should be discarded in the biohazard bag. Used test tubes should be placed in designated pan to be autoclaved and cleaned. Used pipettes should be placed immediately into the provided waste container. Do not place any hazardous or infectious material in the regular trash. Do not place any hazardous or infectious material in the sink. Rule number 8. All used glass slides and cover slips should be placed in sharp box. Do not discard slide in the biohazard bags. Rule number 9. Practice good aseptic technique by performing the following at the end of each lab exercise. That is, remove glove inside out and place them in the biohazard bag. Remove lab coats or aprons, fold them inside out and place them in the assigned drawer. Remove goggles and clean with alcohol wipe before placing in cabinet for sterilization. Decontaminate your workbench by applying and antiseptic wash. Wash your hand thoroughly. Rule number 10. Practice good aseptic technique when making notes or recording result from your experiment in your lab manual. Do not write in your lab manual or notebook until after you have removed your gloves and apron and wash your hands. Rule number 11. If an accident should occur, such as a spill or broken test tubes, so inform your instructor immediately. Soak the area with disinfectant and cover with paper towel. Dispose of contaminated paper towel in the biohazard bin. Dispose of contaminated broken glass in the sharp container. Wash hand thoroughly. Rule number 12. If an accident results in bacterial culture coming in contact with eyes, mucous membrane or an open wound, eye should be flushed immediately at the eye wash station. Affected wound should be washed thoroughly with soap and water. The student should contact their personal physician for advice on further treatment. Rule number 13. Accident report must be filled with the Biosafety Committee no more than 48 hours following in the accident. Rule number 14. Students who are pregnant or have a medical condition which could be compromise their immune system must have written permission from their attending physician in order to participate in microbiology lab. So that's it. If you like this video or this video is informative for you, so like our video, share our video and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.